Great news, sports fans, we are back, but not just back, we are back on all fours. I've done many things. What have I done? I've done new bottom ball joints, all new nuts and bolts on there. Should we, hang on. Let's turn it round. Lots of nice new things. New bolts on everything. Everything's been off, that's all been off. That's all been off. New top ball joints, new bottom ball joints, new track rod ends. All the boots have all been cleaned up and everything's all good there. So that's lovely, smashing great. Suspension is now all free. Torsion bars have been out of the front arms, so that's great. I didn't change the bushes. Why didn't I change the bushes? Because I couldn't get that top bolt out of there. It's not even a bolt, it's a stud. So this is all back together now on both sides, which makes me really happy because it looks good. I have also lowered it. Why have I lowered it? Because the front was way too high and now it's much lower. And don't get me wrong, it looks amazing, but it's definitely too low. But on the plus side, now I know how to put it right. So let's raise it back up in the air again and turn it up a spline. Does look good though, doesn't it? Yay, lowness. It's the same on both sides. Everything on that side's new and everything on this side's new as well. The stud on the back of the lower arm on this side broke. Was I ham-fisted? Maybe, probably, who knows. I have, however, fixed it. Let me see if I can show you the fix. There's a hole in there. And what I've done, there we go. Whoa, we're back. What I did, you can tell I'm having a good day today, by the way. I've been off all week ill and in hospital and just generally feeling really ill. Oh, customer's just walked in, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
I can't really remember where we got to before that customer turned up, but I have now grabbed a can of Iron Brew. What did I do? I'm going to recap, maybe I have recapped correctly here. I drilled through the suspension arm and then I got a high tensile Allen bolt through it so that I could just put a big Allen key through it and tighten it up that way. I'm not going to weld it up or anything like that because Steve King has very kindly sold me a lower suspension arm for it. So I'm going to replace that, and I'm also going to Reims in March. So I'm going to order a load of stuff from Melon Retro and basically just pick it all up there, and then we'll do a load more. Compressor has come in handy. Compressors come in handy because I have Gravitexed all of the inside. I would show you it, but it's well, I can't be bothered to show you it. I'll show you it all in the next video. I've Gravitexed it all inside as well because the look we're going for with this is like a retro racer look. So it's going to have a cool set of bucket seats in it. I'm going to carpet it, but I wanted to Gravitex it first because it hides a whole world of sins and it's hard wearing. I'm going to sound deaden it inside, do all the inside of the rear panels, and then I'm going to put a cool set of bucket seats in it and make it a kind of retro-y, racery, fast roady, cool Gordini. Next on the list is to tidy all of this up. Do you know what? I could not have done any of this without this amazing Renault guide, but I need to put my tools away and tidy up. There's my van that I never touch. I need to do all of that. I've also bought some plus gas, and I've been plus gassing the life out of the rear torsion bar in the hope that they will come off and then I can drop the back down to match the front. Everything's okay in Gordini land. Sorry this is a very boring update, 2 minutes of me ranting on about stuff, but honestly, I've had a pretty shit week, so it's quite nice to actually feel upbeat and alive about stuff and to be working on Gordon again. I'm going to pull in all my cars and then I'm going to go home, and once I've done that, I'm going to order a Chinese. Bye.